rolling for the diaphragm and the psoas. The diaphragm and the psoas have a very strong connection. Therefore, foam rolling these two areas simultaneously will be very beneficial. To start with, you lie down with your chest, the breastbone resting on the foam roller. Extend your hands all the way down and keep breathing. Now you will feel a slight tug around the breast area. That's okay. Hold on to that stretch. Feel the roller digging into your breastbone, the sternum. And then you can just move it a little lower and extend your hands and drop your head down. Again, you hold this stretch for about 10 to 15 seconds and please do not forget to breathe. Next, moving on to the psoas. The psoas muscle is located very close to the pelvic area. So I'm just going to roll this down, making sure the roller is right on top of the hip bones. So the hip bones, the roller does not hold on to the hip bones. The hip bones are slightly lower. So these are my hip bones and the foam roller is here. I place the foam roller right under the pelvic area and I just drop down. Again, I hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds and I keep breathing. So hang in there and enjoy the foam rolling.